The 11th of October, 2023. Glowing Favorites Full Face Beauty Tutorials Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. It all starts with a swipe. Find your glow with a few illuminating favorites, beginning with our lip enhancing extra lip tint. Turn up the radiance by adding glow getters for face and eyes to create a luminous look. Get the look extra lip tint in Bare Claret. Extra illuminating moisture balm. Intensive serum foundation, here in warm ivory. Highlighting powder in peach glow. Luxe eyeshadow in heat ray. https://bb